Deep in the DNA of Cirrus Aircraft, there has always been the passion, the commitment to nothing less than a revolution in personal transportation. So how do you make the world's most extraordinary personal aircraft even more special? You make it yours. A Cirrus Xi aircraft lets you create a customized flying experience that is one of a kind. Not a limited edition, not one of 100, but one of one and second to none. The design is under your command. From colors, materials, and finishes, creating a head-turning sensation on every tarmac your Cirrus graces. Your creation comes to life while working with the Cirrus Xi design team. Designers committed to helping you bring your unique vision to your aircraft. Your Cirrus Xi. There's nothing else like it, because it's yours. Are you ready?